What's up, everybody? Let's get this tweeted out that we doing some live trading today, baby. All right, we got that.
Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, T-Bone.
You have to get on TM Lite. The normal book map has a very annoying algo. So you have to get on TM Lite.
Baby, we got C-Price, Turnstiles, Christine, Gio, best line, Gio, Mike, WBRX, we got Alex. Man, we got all the hustlers out. BBC Firm, good morning. B-Turn, 4M, both back. Tell, Big Zo, Tap Tap.
All right, let's see.
Good morning, Billion. Good time. Got Jenna, aka Brother Turner House, Grizzly White Tiger. Last name Savage 100 Mix. Get me Sean, admin. Let's go. Sergio, wait. JK Trades. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Good morning. In State 5, our discipline sprint, my friend. State 5. Having less week but making steps forward. Prioritizing living habits. We got the yesterday's trade down today, my friends. Sweet. You guys were here around like 2:30 Eastern. That was crazy. We got ready, baby. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Beautiful day that we are blessed to be able to trade.
There we go. All right. All right, perfect. Perfect. All right. Let's get TikTok live.
Yeah, it's completely close to Labor Day. Yeah, so we have no market on Monday.
Live day trading in the Discord happens every day. Yes. Yes, yes.
There might be some futures going on or something. I'm sure it'll be very slow.
What's up, Johnny? Getting the new book today. Let's go.
Yeah, you know, Rose, I think that might have to be it. Get that Grizzly brand up, the rest of the team. Gotta help them make double the money today. It's close Monday. I think we can do that.
Let's do it.
If we get price action like yesterday, for sure. That was beautiful. I just hope it doesn't make us wait until 2 p.m. again.
What you watching?
Wanted to, but that aggressive move in the afternoon was sick. It's pretty sweet.
What you watching today?
I honestly, I don't really have any levels that I love. We hold this uptrend, get above 562.5, 563. I'll look for a trend up. As of now, I'm going to watch for pre-market high reject failure to dip down, as we've been watching the past few weeks. First, honestly, I don't really have anything like for bounces. I've really been taking bounces lately. Unless we have some sort of confirmation, I can find a bottom, get a reversal candle there, and I can define my risk. Yeah, I'm trading out the first 2 hours, but I'll just haven't watched this kind of failed. So, 5585 SBAs and 5562 have been where they bounced all week. So, bounce 5585 first. Not for a nice day trade, it loses it, bounces 5562.
I have a really nice reject if we can push higher. All right, let's get it. Looking to trim this Best Buy equity at the open. We're up like, where's my phone? Put up the swing trade account.
Day 5 for disciplines.
16%
Tap in,
on the equity.
tap into your daily systems. We don't focus on goals, only we focus on our systems that get us to our goals.
Up 1.4K on Best Buy. I'm gonna sell like half my position at open.
Choose discipline over dopamine today. Discipline over dopamine, friends. No forced trades. Stay patient. Trade smart, trade safe. These first 15. This morning's going for about an hour and a half, 2 hours today. Must be hit a banger the first 2 hours, or if I get my stop on 2 losses. It's got about 2 hours. Let's see, it calls up open works for the 800 day in a row.
Ding, ding, ding.
Grizzly, you got anything on watch off the open? 5-6-3 will be rejected down SBX, but more confident in that 5-6-4-3.
All right, let's see.
We have data 15 minutes after market open here, then we have data 30 minutes after market open, so. Let's see, for data today, I didn't look. We got PMI at 945, consumer sentiment at 10. Those should both be market movers. Those should both be market movers to show. Sounded every day, it's ridiculous.
Best Buy's going. Took forever for that trade to play out too. I was talking about it in the live earlier, but I went with Best Buy equity. Basically, it was based off of the where's my monthly? Off the monthly time frame. We had a really nice monthly squeeze. We got back up above that 21 EMA. We got stochastic buy signal, all that good stuff. So that's the reason I went with equity, because I didn't know how long it would sit here and try to consolidate for. But finally, I'll show you the day that we entered. It was somewhere like over here. I talked about it earlier. I think it was like the 16th or 18th, something like that, somewhere over here. But yeah, you can see we got that very nice pop up. So at half my position, gonna keep the rest at break even, and just like this equity ride. If you guys have free capital, you might as well be looking at the higher time frames for potential equity swings, because if your capital is just sitting there, it's nothing to happen to it, happening to it. So you might as well look for some swings, put them on. Use the higher time frames, monthly and quarterly.
Something to open. Yeah. Very hard times. Ridiculous.
Alrighty.
Can't bring the Cedar wise swing. Still well.
Yes, sir.
That was back in July.
I know, dude. It took forever for it to play out.
What do you owe?
Hold on, I just saw it was up like 17% on the equity though.
That's crazy.
85. 85 actually.
That's a great equity trade, bro. It's a great equity trade.
I know, if you got the capital just sitting there, you might as well throw it in some equity swings.
Put on ramen up for.
See what happens at pre-market highs on ES.
Cowboy Chris. I'm not watching the market high. And if you fail that and start a downtrend after I'll watch the puts. Watched it the last few weeks that's been working for it to happen after the first 15, but we'll see. Second, same upside watch that had all week. If we break and hold above like 566.5, 563, this area we rejected so many times. I'll look for a calls entry. We can, have a slow grind up. In that case, it'll be much less size because I don't trade slow grind ups as well, especially at all-time highs. It's just not my edge, so I trade for it. I don't want to get back with much polish this week. And third, if we end up losing yesterday's low, we can look for some short setups. Other than that, I don't like the one-on watch. So I'm just going to stay patient. It's been a really solid week. Not trying to give much back. Everything, all the really good trades this week have required some patience. So we'll see what we get.
Yeah, really the only thing I see right now is that pre-market high. We can get up into it.
Well, probably. Gotcha.
IWM. IWM is actually moving.
Marcus waiting on this dead as it drop. Yeah, we might wait till. But get high of consumer sentiment.
Let's see what happens up here. I do have put test pulled up. See if we either break and hold above it or if we sweep the liquidity. But again, I really like a reject if we get up here. We have news here in 5 minutes, though, so we might actually hit it.
Savage, right? Should just rip the calls off open. That's the new edge these days. I swear, 4 to 5 days per week just rips off the open. Bananas.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this news.
You know, I'm watching it. That was we haven't actually considered, but here's some data, you know? You know what I mean? It's mostly where we're at. I don't want to answer. Get hooked.
Alright, so I do have the puts pulled up if we pop up into this area up here off of news. Oh, we're gonna go into it before the news. That's annoying.
Jake might be a little more risk. Risk on today. Just dude, it's been a really solid week, and almost for this market heads, we have 2 cents of data today. Let's see what we get.
I do have puts pulled up in case we pop up into like 562.10 to 562.50 on the news. If we reject up there, I'm looking for shorts.
So we got 2 minutes till we're set up.
Let's see what we get. How we all doing in the live stream though? Everybody doing good? Chilling, vibing. Hopefully ready to catch a banger here in a couple minutes if it pops up into that.
Five seconds to data.
The 562 puts pulled up.
On Friday, we should get something.
EQ new high day. We're also getting close to the QQQ supply zone.
Right now. Well, it's 5:30 Monday, but we were Friday and Aaron Adams.
Rip.
Market reject. You've been seeing over
Rip.
pretty cool with market high. Dip. Just through a couple of taking the data.
Couldn't push a little more for my supply zone full. We are right at a fib though.
Crazy.
See what happens. See if we hold it. We close right above it on SPY, but I don't like this for an entry yet.
We're at Vivo, things. Not much news. Yesterday we pushed up to the 530 period, 6:30. SPX pushed back to 90 main people up to continue on up.
Yeah, there's too many sell orders right now.
I have no calls on watch today unless we break those previous highs and build a base from like 562, 563. No calls on much. They start uptrending. That's a different story.
Yeah, no trade on this SPY. We were so close to that supply zone.
I know. Adam would definitely try the pre-market. Market high, failure. That's what I'm gonna watch, but
We have a lot of sell orders.
yeah. Sometimes play data like that too, you'll have a delayed reaction. So if it looks good, then it starts moving off the data and you get smoked.
Keep an eye on QQQ and NQ now, because we do have 5 and 15-minute structure that I want to look for. Got the nice squeeze. See what happens. All right, so I am liking this 15-minute on QQQ and NQ. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. See if we get a pullback.
1 minute volumes look a little suspicious on that big push up. Let's see. Yeah, that candle is that 1 minute volume's a little suspect. Tell me that candle is. Watch how these next few play out. We're just a little far away for me to try. Let's on pops. A little far from that high end with like 70, 80 cents of risk with got like what 70 cents to blow a day. So that's when offered a first reward for me at the very moment to try Bigfoots, so sold off. Plus he then plus setup. Wait.
Yeah, I mean, if we get up into supply, I'll look for a reject. But like I said, I was watching that QQQ NQ structure to the upside. But once we get into supply, we'll see what happens.
Same thing as yesterday. No. It's late for me plus setup.
Supply is so close to that supply. Just get up there for me. Let's watch this pull back towards like 475 on QQQ. Right here. Still watching.
Get this consumer sentiment out of the way.
Oh yeah, shit, we have that in 3 minutes. Never mind. I'll hold off. I really do like this NQ and QQQ and even ES to the upside right now. If we didn't have news in 3 minutes, probably would be in this. Just get all the news out of the way. Really like this 5-minute squeeze structure though. Looks really good. Alright, let's watch this ES. See if we pop up into supply. It's the main thing I'm watching. Mm-mm-mm. QQQ is working out exactly how I wanted it to. That sucks. All right, news in 1 minute. Let's see if we pop up into 56.47, 562.10 on SPY. I have puts pulled up. A little higher. All right, we're in the supply zone. So ES hasn't hit it yet. SPY
This
did.
is live. Just wanted the way back up. Not ruling out a slow trend though. Today.
What's ES a little higher?
Did they really say the consumers are happy? They are definitely lying on the data. I was wondering who they're polling. Like it's the same thing with like like consumer polls, political polls. I'm like, I haven't been polled. No one knows they're been polled. Like who are y'all asking? Like honestly, like who are y'all asking these things? I don't know nobody.
Come on, a few points higher.
I would prefer us not to have a slusher than an all-time highs, but we know it's coming at some point. Whether it's we pull back first, eventually we're gonna go back to all-time highs. We're almost there, but market is plumb to go up, so it's important to remember that over time it will keep going up. You're gonna have to adapt, have those trend days up around highs are nearing. There's going to be slower trend days. Obviously, we all like volatility as traders, but part of our job is being adaptable and staying disciplined in whatever the market gives us. So stay super patient, guys.
Still watching. I want to see us dig into this zone or this zone and reject. But we're in the spy zone, which makes it hard. We also just hit the QQQ 2-hour zone. I had a feeling they were going to try to do that.
Justin, our eyes. See. Here we go.
I was literally about to like try a very small piece of puts and then be willing to add if we popped up in here.
Yeah, let's pull the. Just wait. No calls from me unless there's slow trend number like 560.5, 563. So just saying super patient, y'all. Try let's position. The worry is that they break these highs and the slow trend up of this area we projected so many times down.
Oh, and get to the ES supply zones for me. Don't reject the SPY supply zone. Y'all some sissies if you do that. Yeah, get up there. Push. Push, push. Give me the real reject. I don't want no sissy reject.
No, I'm not anything.
Getting questions about the levels. Were you guys not here this morning? I showed you guys exactly how I found these levels. Everybody should know. Make sure you guys are tapping in 8 a.m. Eastern time. Sorry. 8 a.m. Eastern time. I find and give these levels for free every single day. All you guys gotta do is join. Come on, dude. Get up there. Thank you for the subscribe.
You're watching. I actually don't supposed to watch. It's figured. So like they were holding to market highs.
I was watching that 562.10, but my level on ES was a little higher. I wanted to see if we could dig into that.
Risk would be that I'm looking at is trying to put the zone or stop about 562.2. Just staying patient, waiting. I don't like this price action right now. Staying patient. Still not really out of solution enough, so just stay super patient. Got sold off, moved up again, made a higher high. Got some short-term support at the market high for this 561.5, 561.2. So that's why I'm very hesitant to short until we lose that pre-market high. To lose that 561.5 again aggressively, we should see decent push down to like 561 potentially all day.
Give me my zone.
It's being tricky right now, so just be patient. It's being tricky for sure.
I think they're gonna give us the actual reject. They hit it on SPY, but not ES. We're bouncing off of VWAP. Mm-mm-mm. This market more bipolar than my ex, for real. Because on the higher time frames, we're at supply. On the lower time frames, I mean, we do have that 15-minute squeeze. We are trying to hold that structure. I want to say shorts still look best. It's just I really would have preferred had we got up into here or here. That's where I saw the best risk to reward. But SPY, we hit it. That's the only issue. Sometimes when doing supply and demand between the two. See that we hit it. Rejected it. Boom, boom, boom. So, I'll sit here. I'll see if we can get another setup, but that was probably the level.
This 1-minute chart looks like it wants to see we're down to that 5-minute charts too choppy still.
We got a lot of you guys up in here today. I like it. Need more of you guys to join here every day.
They're gonna get a reminder.
Wonder if I can get Jadon to do legs today.
Fire patient indicated.
Or if he'll duck me again. Bro don't want to smoke with the legs.
Trades for the swan, yeah.
I think if we pop back up into this 562.10 and reject again, I'll try it.
Just over. Dude, right? Dude. I'm so tempted. It's just not able to set up so I know this shit.
Weather alert. What is this? Air quality.
Okay, fine, next pop up, there's no way stuff puts. Paris entry is 561.5. Just also high bit.
Nah, they be on the other side
Pop up.
of downtown Denver. I don't think I'm gonna be able to hit up Perry's today. I don't even know if Jaden's going. I got too much stuff to do though.
She has not think it's not sure. I hate the roll in this 561.5, but literally the fingers on the trigger. But it's just price action. Oh, of course. And I just miss. We're on the trigger. No execution. Hey, it seemed great. Took that. Let's go. Great. Turn up the lead for let's go, baby.
Right at BWAP. I do like this 15-minute setup though. Let's see if we hold. Hmm. Sorry, it's a boring day so far.
Nice, let's catch what I guess execute on that. Makes me happy.
Boring day. We'll find something though. Depending on this 15-minute too, I mean, I do have calls pulled up. The only issue is SPY hit the reject, QQQ hit the reject, and Q hit the reject. ES, however, did not hit the reject. Just depends on how much we move by the end of this 15-minute candle, because we are going to need that confirmation that we hold VWAP. Lose it, however. I don't know.
I'm still only watching footsteps now. That's all I'm watching.
All right. All right. Let's look at some other individuals because clearly Spy and QQQ are not going to do it today. They're nothing.
It's two entries. Not huge notes arranged in the pretty tight so far, but still. Savage nice catch that happened before too. Break below.
Still like this 15-minute. Buying it right back up. Okay, so what I'm thinking, if we close above this 15-minute VWAP in 21 EMA on ES, if we can pull back and make it support after holding it, I'd be willing to try it right here. So we gotta wait a couple more minutes before that.
Might be the chip indicator to fire. Yeah, GD, think on the team, bro. Come on. I did it the other day. What happened? Oh, they both the team, GD. Come on. Giving it like 15 more minutes. If not, that will be the second day this week. I don't think. That's all right though.
All right, see what happens on this next drop. Let's see, what are we trading at? 5. Oh, don't be like that.
Solid trade, Greg. Greg, Christina, and Adam, or Savage and Adam before.
Come on. Dip a little lower. Market being ignorant today. All right, Tay, let's see.
Yeah, she even said only drinking fish. Now that sounds like a good day. Only drinking fish. That's it. Or if you're this one's from it, don't drink it all, we drink water, right? I did the Earth challenge last week. I'll do it this week. Let's go every Saturday. I think I'm done in 45 minutes. And I think, yeah.
I want it a little lower. Nah, it's gonna go without us. Shaking my head. There's one more possibility with this setup, and we'll see if it happens. One more possibility until we get into supply. Oh my, Team Bull's funny. All right, so last possibility I see is a 15-minute candle close above this 8 EMA, solid 15-minute candle close, and then a pullback and retest of that 8 EMA. That's the last thing I see until we get into supply, which might just go ahead and push. So let's see. All right, let's get this.
Still not. Look out. Possibility of a slow grind. Especially after these two. We touched our Kindle low. Held aggressively. Held aggressively. Now it's going to move up. So
Dude, push a little higher. Come on now. Go into the supply zone. What is this shenanigans?
on Friday session, I would. Yeah, I think they'll give us a move. I think it might just go to later.
I just don't want to give it. Literally. Just do not want to give it.
Let's see.
This market has me for 15 more minutes. They hit the SPY supply zone twice. But not the
Your
not
thoughts? Well, let's pop back up with you. So, got it about 561, like 3-bit high risk entry trade here.
sounds like the boys are trying some puts. I'm not taking anything.
Oh my goodness.
Personally doesn't meet my criteria. But hope it prints for him. Thank you for the subscribe.
This is here at 561.3 to 561. Only 5. A nice push before. This is the better risk reward than 5 minute close above if you're looking at highs, might just jump down. I did some shorts here. Yeah, shorts. Not good. Not like that previous camera statement of high low from first one 560.5, next one 560.7, this one 560.75. But I think we get to me this can be a pretty yeah, it's short.
I'm just chilling, everybody. No trades from me so far. Only thing I did was trim some of my BBY.
Previous 5 minute candle rejected hard, but like we found it on the top. Push down on the 561.31.
Thank you for the subscribe.
The candle, the aggressive push up, made a higher low again. Typically, when we see that with an aggressive buy up, we're gonna consolidate or be a reversal like we saw the past 2 times. The level looks okay still, but I know liquidity sweep just to push us back up and then finally break that resistance up there. I'm not gonna hold this push up here. I'll wait until we break back down below 561.3. Get an aggressive push down, bring back, but it's 561.3. I'll put some risk on it. We can get that, but it's looking like it's looking pretty sweet down. Push immediately back up, especially that 1 minute volume. You see with that tip bar handle at 10:45. I love it. Watching the 5 minute and 1 minute at the same time. I get a lot of it's really good for watching volume, at least for how I trade. I don't can't watch the 1 minute either. Can't do it. I didn't used to, but I like 1 and 5. It's been helping me keep my wrist to a minimum lately watching for the volume.
All right. Here's the plan now. Look for this damn pullback. I still think that this squeeze wants to fire up. I want to see what happens on this 5 minute candle, pull back to 561.50 to 561.30. So I have the 562 calls pulled up. And good Lord, let's see if we can get a setup. Somewhere in this area right here is where I'm looking to try some longs.
I can see a little more trend.
I'd prefer SPY to pull a little more, closer to 561.3. And we can ride this mofo in a high day.
Right back down below these exposed back and puts at 561.3. Keep my stop above that 5631 on SPX.
Grizzly still in shorts.
At 1040, that 5-minute candle above that wick is my stop.
No trades so far today.
It's just right over from the chops of
We're at the level when I'm watching. Looks like we might potentially lose it. But we also have like this lower level right here on ES of that VWAP. So I guess if like 50, if it loses 56.34 and closes below, then what I'm watching right now is invalid. Again, no setup. I'm still watching.
5.625, it's on ES. Broke back below 561.3. Just gonna see all this way down. Let's 20% trailing up ahead. Sorry, best hard but get back in. Yeah, 561.3 breaking out back in. Anyways, gonna chop around right here in this area. I'll go help SPX on 9. But they go chop around and probably move down that we're looking for. Trim on 2037 moves down. Got a decent entry up there. Price action choppy like this. Just really looking at like 5%, 60%, etc. Full there's a bit at 561.3. Tiny piece off, we're at 561.1, 5 here. Tiny piece off. I'll see if we can get the rest down like 561.8.
I ain't taking that. I'll tell you what. Market maker said to SPY today, English or Spanish.
Stop for just get an entry 561.3 chopped up. 5-minute charts like this, no more. You see here of this 5-minute candle. So it's just one maybe nothing to see us push down.
Excuse me, English or Spanish? SPY just starts going nuclear.
I'm gonna take a second trim up here at 560.8. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I lost. Cut the first one for a small red trade, then got back in. 2 trims so far. See if we can get a third one, if we can get low a day. I'm gonna hold the rest, either break even, or to low a day, 560.4.
Yeah, I personally can't just trade. I can't trade this. I'm muted on Team Bull, but I can't trade this. I don't like this price action. My man Dom, what's up? Well, I guess in the meantime, if anybody's got questions, feel free to ask because I ain't taking nothing. Unless there's like some kind of opportunity in the next 10 minutes, which I doubt. I'll take it, but yeah, what you guys got? Any questions?
Come on, trim 560.4.
There you go. Now the boys are getting paid.
Let's epic go. Good trim, everyone. It's lead. Beautiful. That's how you make the bang. From the yes and I that's
To be honest, I have no idea. I guess he's just not posting it.
let's go, T-Bull. Quick head count. You're trading 3 eyes. Grizzly. Myself against Carlos Butcher Shorts. Greg, Good Man, Christina. Let's go, baby. Run it up. 2 W's, baby. Who's making money today? Come on. Let's go, T-Bull. Come on. Love to see it. Wait until Friday. We stay patient. Hold our plan. Got pick. Get savage. Yes, let's go. Come on. Full squad. Top 618 is my final price target. Yes.
It's funny, as soon as I posted that English or Spanish thing, spine started moving.
There it goes, Chris.
That's crazy. If you guys caught those shorts,
There
nice.
it goes. Closed out my yes.
Again, I personally didn't take any trades, but if you guys caught it, I'm happy for you guys.
You did. Oh, thanks. You're out of Florida. Savage. You had a really nice templates too. Yeah, full squad. Pretty nice. Yeah, there you go. I think we had pretty much the whole squad of triggers on those bullets. That's crazy.
Besides Brandon. It's aight.
Beautiful trade, everyone. That's how we want to end the week. Nice green week. Savage was in. Who else was in? Rick was in. get a previous hit on 1040, the first entry on SPX, yes, but anytime a kennel confirms like that, my stop loss is automatically either above that key level, which in this case lined up with the previous 5 minute SPX at 5631.
I think I'm just gonna chill, to be honest with you guys. Still up about like $700 today on my swing account. So honestly, not complaining. I literally sold that within the first minute of market open. So technically a $700 day, which isn't bad. All right, so now, depending on this 5 minute candle close, I do see one more thing. Possibly fair value gap right there. Got a very strong flush to the downside. Possibly fair value gap. Pop back up. Look for a short. We'll see. That's why I said technically a $700 day, because I have been holding that Best Buy for a while. When did I buy this damn thing? At the beginning of July. So it's been almost 2 months, but finally got that trim off.
Let's go, T-Bull. That was fire. The hell boss out of one starts your weekend. Steve with a $1,400 day out of one. Great job, everyone. I am done for the week. Time for some college football. State. Get some family time.
Do I get an invite, Grizz? Deal. Be there in a few hours.
Are you gonna get intimidated? They're gonna direct flights from Denver to Knoxville.
Yeah, Jadon. Probably leave here around like 10:15, 10:30.
Your boss close for flight.
Better watch those arms, dude. I'm gonna armbar you in like 2 seconds. All right, so the last setup I see is if we pop up into like 560.8, I'm gonna look for potential puts. I'll let you guys know if I take it.
Calling it a week, everyone. We got things to take care of. Nice trade on Bulls together. What a turnaround from last week. Yeah, she was awesome. It's great. Just text me what the take happens. Sounds please something to see. Hey, young trader with a 36% day, $1,100 in profit. Let's go.
Got a meeting here in 25 minutes, so hopefully this hurries up. We had a 2-minute fair value gap too, so we could potentially reject that, but I like the 5-minute more because we got that confluence.
All right, enjoy your weekends. Hey, y'all get this clock? I'm done. Be bro.
Peace.
Adios. Video.
Come on, you better pop up in there.
Fucking prison.
Come on, just pop a little higher, bro. $20 more minutes. That's what I'm giving this market. And it's so crazy. It's literally only 9 a.m. That's why I love mountain time. Literally the best time to trade. $560.8 is what I'm watching.